Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to draw anime eyes step by step. Don't worry if you're a beginner, we'll take it nice and slow. By end of this video, you'll be able to draw anime eyes perfectly. Let's get started.
You said never let me go. 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 You said it never worked out fine. I watched it fall away. It slipped right through my fingers as I heard you say. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said
No time to be scared.
Thank you so much for joining with me today. I hope you had fun learning how to draw anime eyes, and I'll be uploading a new video soon showing how to draw anime girls step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, and see you soon.